here for this course, but I have been in the rescue business since '95. What I'm actually trying to get out of this now is the trainers course, so that I will be able to share this knowledge with other people when I get back home. Yes, we had actually in November of last year, we had a very big case where for more than 17 hours we were looking for this gentleman, his wife, and it ended up being a successful rescue. Um, uh, but again, we keep finding the problems of not having enough tools, enough the resources for us is one of the problems, and also funding to fund these kind of rescues, because they can get very expensive at times. We don't work on that policy. Rapid response, we actually from the initial call we go out. So the police have their work, but our work is saving lives, and that starts on the minute that you get that call, initial call. So then we would have then other entities coming in after, but the initial call comes to us and we go. Well, what I'm learning today is kind of how to put data in place so that we will be able to do more case studies and more research on having the information readily available to us, so that if there is a rescue somewhere else in the world, that kind of tailor-made kind of to our situation at that point, you could kind of look into it and find the information how they did it, so you could be able to better deal with the situation that you have at hand. From the onset, we had very good communication before I got here. And then when I got here, they would call every day, checking to see how I was doing, if got something to eat, if So I think I'm very well taken care of by them. Actually, we don't really work together, but because of this course and the information that will be given in this course, they thought it best to send an invitation to us so that we could also partake of this great information.